This sounds like a delicious and comforting meal. A common recipe for chicken arrabbiata stew with Parmesan dumplings uses self-raising flour and butter for the dumplings, and chicken thighs for the stew. Here is a version based on popular recipes, serving approximately 4 to 6 people. Chicken arrabbiata, stew and Parmesan dumplings. Prep time, 30 minutes. Cook time, 1 hour 5 minutes. Ingredients. For the stew, 2 tbsp olive oil. 1 large onion, thinly sliced 8 skinless and boneless chicken thighs, halved 2 large cloves garlic, crushed 1 to 1.5 tsp chili flakes, adjust to your spice preference, 4 tbsp sun-dried tomato pesto, or regular red pesto, 250 ml, 1 cup, chicken stock, 2x 400 gram tins chopped tomatoes, 5 thyme sprigs, tied together, or 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 2 teaspoons sugar, salt and black pepper to taste, 1-2 small bunch of fresh parsley, finely chopped, for garnish. For the Parmesan dumplings, 80 gram cold unsalted butter, cubed 150 grams self-raising flour, 1 tankard 2 tsp fine salt, 80 gram Parmesan, grated, about 50 grams for the dough, 30 gram for sprinkling, 50-60 ml milk, approx 1/4 cup. Instructions. 1. Cook the stew base, approx 40 minutes. Heat the olive oil in a large, shallow casserole dish or oven-safe pot over medium-low heat. Add the sliced onion and fry for about 7 minutes, or until soft and translucent. Increase the heat slightly, add the chicken pieces, and cook for about 5 minutes until beginning to brown around the edges. Remove the chicken and set aside. Add the crushed garlic and chili flakes to the casserole and fry for 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in the pesto. Pour in the chicken stock and chopped tomatoes. Add the thyme sprigs, sugar, and some seasoning, salt and pepper. Stir well to scrape up any browned bits from the bottom of the pan. Add the chicken back in. Turn the heat to low and cover with a lid. Cook gently for 40 minutes. Remove the thyme sprigs and check the seasoning, adding more salt, pepper, or chili if needed. 2. Make the dumplings. Preheat your oven to 200°C, 180°C fan, gas, mark 6. In a mixing bowl, combine the cold cubed butter, self-raising flour, and 1 and 2 tsp salt. Rub the butter into the flour with your fingertips until the mixture resembles fine breadcrumbs. Stir in 50 degrees of the grated Parmesan cheese. Pour in 50 milliliters of the milk, then use a cutlery knife or spatula to swiftly combine the ingredients until a soft dough forms. Add the remaining 10 ml of milk if the dough feels too dry. Do not overwork the dough. Briefly bring the dough together on a floured surface, then divide it into 8 equal balls. 3. Assemble and bake, approx 25 minutes. Arrange the 8 dumpling balls evenly over the surface of the simmering stew. Scatter the remaining grated Parmesan cheese over the top of the dumplings. Place the casserole dish uncovered into the preheated oven. Bake for 25 minutes, or until the dumplings have doubled in size and are golden brown and fluffy. 4. Serve. Scatter the finely chopped fresh parsley over the stew and dumplings before serving. Enjoy your arrabbiata stew.